Today we're going to be running the gravity mining multi-gravity separator on a very low grade tin tungsten concentrate. It's a tailing stream. It contains 0.01% tin and 0.2% tungsten. There's also a little bit of ferrosilica from the heavy media circuits in this sample, which concentrates beautifully in the MGS. So we pulled out the concentrate as well, which masks our results a little bit, but that's easy enough to remove afterwards. It's worth noting as well that on previous tests, the ferrosilica has actually trapped some rare earth elements and brought them to concentrate. Might be worth further investigation at a later date. They were monazite, zircon based uranium and thorium. But once the ferrosilica was removed, we could wash those tails relatively easily. That's just a note for the future. So we have our buckets for the tailings. We've got our buckets for the concentrate. We have our sample mixing and the peristaltic pump circulating. We're looking inside the drum. We've got our we're running the Pure Select scraper system on this test. Pure Select is a scraper system which we developed by Gravity Mining, which is very selective. It's we call it a low profile scraper blade, so that the tailings can wash over the top just like a ripple of a shaking table. Because that is in essence what the MGS is. It is a shaking table wrapped into a drum and spun to just generate an enhanced gravity field to highlight the difference of the SGs of the minerals, which it does very well. So we're running the Pure Select low profile scraper system at the rear of the drum. That's behind the distributor ring, which is the bit in the middle, which you can see spinning around there, which is where the feed goes in. We're running that all the way through just in front of the feed distributor ring, and then we're swapping the scraper system around a little bit. We're still using the Pure Select, but we're putting it into what we call a concentrating mode. So we've got basically got a rougher stage at the back, and then we pull the material with very good recovery through the distributor ring, which is still in a low grade but very good recovery, and then at the front of the drum we slow the scraper system down considerably. That sounds very complicated, but it's not. It's very simple, and we clean it, and so we have a rougher concentrator, or rough, we've got to think of a name for that really, but it's a rougher and concentrator all in one, and it's proving to be rather successful. So we'll get on with the test, and there we are. Wish us luck.